Adding scrolling text in Inshot. Today I'm going to show you how to add scrolling text in Inshot. First, open the Inshot application in your mobile device. Next, tap on video option. From here you can see the option that says video. Click on that option to upload the video to which you want to add the scrolling text bar. Now tap on pip option and you can see the pip option here. Now after tapping on pip and upload the colored picture that you want to use as the scrolling text bar. For example, I'm uploading a red colored picture. Then adjust the scrolling text bar to the bottom of your video. Trim the video as much as you want. Then go to text and type anything you want to go. Then you can see the scrolling text on your screen. That's how you can easily add scrolling text in Inshot.